I was born in Cape Town, South Africa, and it was during the time of apartheid. It was a system of segregating white people from black people. So my family is a mix of white and black, so we were classified as colored. And being classified as colored meant that we were only allowed to live in certain parts of Cape Town. And educational opportunities and job opportunities were quite limited. So we did leave, and with my parents' emphasis on education, I was first generation to go to university. So flash forward many years later, and my organization, Engineers Canada, has as one of its priorities women in engineering. And I had the opportunity to speak before the Senate on women in engineering, and also had the opportunity to speak before the House of Parliament Status of Women Committee. When I go back to the University of Toronto campus now, I feel a great sense of hope that the University of Toronto is tackling so many of the challenges that our society and our world are facing. The University of Toronto and the City of Toronto offer such a wonderful environment for learning. To hear that I had won was a complete shock to me. I felt humbled, I felt honored, and I felt very thankful to those who had nominated me.